Hi. It is hot summer outside, so I guess it's the right time to bring out our winter review of the Christopher Ward C60 Bronze Pro 60. And I think it's quite an interesting watch which brings bronze to diver genre. And name says it all. I mean, watch case is made out of real bronze, and number 60 hints on 600 meters waterproof level, which is more than enough for everyday use. And I have to point out that this review will be from my point of view, who decided to get proper driver. So let's check watch closer. First of all, I would like to talk about packaging for this watch because it arrives in nice cube-shaped box, and I thought that there is nothing special, but the unboxing video you can see that there is a special things included, and cardboard box is not that simple as it seems to be. And side of the box is a two-shaped sword, I would say. From one side it is quite impressive and imposing, but from the other side you will have to store it somewhere or just to throw it away, and I guess nobody will do it. Anyway, inside there are not that many things to find, and watch comes with only one strap, therefore there are no tools to interchange the straps, and just the soft close manual and warranty paper. I wonder who will be the first to include travel pouch for this watch or for any other upcoming models. Now we can discuss the biggest part of this watch, which is special in this model. As I wrote before, whole case is made out of real bronze, and that material has nice rich color out of the box and should look even better when you wear it every day. I hope you all remember that bronze gets patina after a while, so today's watch is not an exclusion from this rule, and be ready for this. One can say that you have truly exclusive piece because weathering won't be the same among other watches, so that's can be treated as an advantage, I would say. I intentionally didn't do comparison photos and decided to show only final form after wearing watch for several months, and for original condition you can refer all original website, manufacturer photos, everything is there. And metal is present everywhere except of back cover. Well, it's a typical step in order to avoid allergy reaction, so I think it will be also another small advantage for this watch. And moreover, silver metal cover won't be visible on your wrist, so it's not a big deal in my opinion. And shape is quite classic, so 43mm size will fit every wrist. Main dial is finished in nice deep blue shade, which looks good together with case cover. There are no digits on the watch face, only large lume covered marks, while hours and minutes hands are finished in classic style. I would say it might be even named as an old school. Seconds hand is a nice deviation from what we are used to see because it has lollipop design, but on the other opposite end of it you will see trident. I mean, it's a what's a typical trademark symbol for diver watches from Christopher Ward. This is a small hint on the serious name, of course, and it doesn't look out of place. And in my opinion it works nicely with overall design, so it doesn't look like an extra which was added just for the sake of it. One can also appreciate clear layout of the dial because it is easy to read, and you can see the manufacturer names comes at a 9 o'clock mark, and there is only tiny writing about waterproof well, so it's not busy with different writings and marketing stuff, I would say. Yes, all those things together, they don't jump into your eyes, and some people might name it as too calm, but in my opinion that's the main beauty of today's watch, because it makes it feels like something more expensive, like something more simple and yet more complex and sophisticated and worth its price, let's say. As for the luminous covering, you'll find it on indices, hands, I mean on the main dial of course. It's not as bright as it could be, definitely not the level of some competing watches, diver watches. From the other side, do you really think that somebody will go deep with this watch? I mean, come on, let's admit the truth and give it some time on bright sun, and then you will see a decent lume on dial. Date window sits at 3 o'clock mark, and of course it comes in black color, what might embarrass perfectionists. I mean, different colors with main dial color, it's not that good thing. And I almost forgot to mention serious thing, it's 600 meters waterproof well. That's quite a surprise, and you won't find many alternatives with such number included. Bezel features small lume dot at 12 o'clock mark, and of course it's only unidirectional. And crown is quite subtle in size. Frankly speaking, I was quite surprised that they decided to include such small part. It's not easy to operate with bare fingers, and I wonder what it will be to operate this part with gloves on your hands. And the only thing that might be good to see here is deeper engraving for easier handling. Locks are slightly bent, and that helps watch sit tight on your wrist. There are 3 strap options, 2 textile and 1 rubber. All straps are finished in black or blue colors, and my watch, as you can see on the video, came with rubber variant. I'm not big fan of it, I should say it straight, but here it works perfectly. I mean, it's smooth, easy to bend, strap just wraps around your hand and feels natural. And note that there is original pattern inside, while outer side has lines on it. Of course, buckle is made out of bronze too, and it's nice small touch in my opinion. And by the way, I would rather advise to get rubber band because it feels good on the wrist, while textile might be a bit stiff and then you'll want to change it on something else. Inside you'll find Sellita SW201 automatic movement. This caliber can be known for many different models, and I wouldn't say it's something special for watch fans. Power reserve here equals to 38 hours, which is okay for everyday use, but not the top level what you can get for this price. Of course, hacking and manual winding are here as well, and this is reliable and well-known movement. After wearing for several months, I can only note one thing: don't leave it on the table without wearing for too long, otherwise you will have stopped watch and you will have to wind it up anyway. There is no point to hide it. I mean, I like bronze watches, and no matter what manufacturer releases them, I try them on my wrist to see what it is, how it is made, and today's watch is not an exclusion from this rule. Nevertheless, if we check it from the point of view of somebody who searches for the first proper diver watch, I think nice case, calm design, excellent strap make it easy to wear every day. Clear dial is also a huge advantage, and you can read time without any extra issues. Nevertheless, I'm surprised that there is only 1 dial color available, so I would guess we can expect more colors in the future, maybe green or red. I recommend you to read review article on our website as well. That's all for this video review. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Of course, write your comments in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video review as usual. Bye.